Here at ThermoSphere, we passionately believe in our resellers. In the same way as that a reseller is an extension to our sales team, we should be an extension to yours. So over the course of a few years, we've developed a package which does work for a lot of resellers. It's focused on three main things. So the first thing is margin. We want to make sure you can generate the highest margin possible. The second thing is referrals. So we want to bring those customers to you so that you get those repeat customers. And the third thing is the support package. We want to make sure that you've got the best support package from any electric heating manufacturer in the UK. That does work for a lot of people, but we do recognise that every reseller is different. So please do reach out to us. We'd love to speak to you about your individual challenges, because then we can develop something which works specifically for you. So we look forward to speaking to you soon.